po siya.
La Union!
La Union.
Amelia from Dubai! Good morning everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! Hello! Sir! Grabe po yung hilik nyo Ang daming tumatawag. Ay, pangit yung ganito guys, yung may wifi ang campground. May mga tumatawag, nakakaloka.
You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night. But know that when the going gets too hard, you'll have me and the stars. Far light years away, does someone gaze at the Milky Way? Dream under the stars, nestled into her father's arms. Does he watch her wide-eyed memories ignite? Holds her real tight, whispers, my child. Seasons will fly by and friends will make you cry. The world.
Hey guys, so we are ready na para mag-bike. Ayan. May pasabit pa talaga kami mga tuwalya. Yan, kasi pinapadry namin. Tsaka ginawa namin siyang parang shade. Kasi yung araw kanina pa ganyan, kaninang morning. Kaya nilagay na rin namin dyan kasi nagluto ako. We will leave the campsite. Maayos naman lahat. Ayan. Yung mga gadgets namin and other stuff, mga importante nasa loob ng sasakyan. Kasi at least doon sa sasakyan nalalak. Pero may mga rangers naman dito guys na laging dumadaan. Kanina lang nandito yung nagme-maintain ng campground. Nag-i-spray sila ng damo sa mga sa driveway, ganyan. So, mag-bike kami kasi may trail dito. Tara na!
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the goddamn. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay, 'cause the new songs are better. That's what it feels like, haven't been so happy ever. There you go. Thank you.
masahid yung ano eh.
Oh, hindi lang niya napipil yan. Oh.
Lalaw niya eh.
Oh, sige Amelia, pedal more.
More, harder.
Ang dami mong coach.
Pedal.
Oh.
Ba, nagkukumog pa ng kanta. Wow.
Focus on driving.
Brother daw.
What do you name your team?
My team? What's the name of our team?
Team bike?
Team bike.
Do you want this cool name?
Well, we can do timba. You know what is a timba?
Yeah.
Okay ba yung ganyan na level naman?
Multitasking.
Labang nito.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. Crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Kaya ako namili ako kasi mamaya araw-araw same.
Ay, oo nga pala, wala silang uniform no. I-roll siya dito.
Hindi na.
Isang taon.
Alam mo lang na siya yan kasi sa mata niya.
Siya, nung bagong panganak, sobrang puti oh. Nung nakanginan.
Pakulay pa lang tatay. What's the feeling of riding your bike? Hungry?
Orienting the best of biking.
Wow. What's the name of our club?
The name of our club is Club I the Bikers.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the camera while talking. Say hi to the viewers of Auntie Mia.
Say hi to Uncle Junar. He's watching.
Junior.
Ito yung
I'm tired.
pinagbabasa siya ng mga-
Babe, some cube! By Jovan! Ay na po ba yan, sir? Yeah! Talaga?
Magaganda kasi yung lyrics sa kanta nila eh.
Magaling sila magsulat, no? Eh, some cube! Yung chef po namin, Jovan! Ang suki ng marketplace! From Pampanga! Ito po yung mga pangalawa sa marketplace!
Nagkasal po siya.
La Union!
Trabaho mo, tambay.
Tambay sa
Marketplace.
para subaybayan ang gustong bilhin ng mga misis.
Yeah.
I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns
So, ask Uncle Mac about the marshmallow
I want
and the hot dogs.
settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen royally bound. Going camping, you must share your s'mores with your friends. Comfortable to go. Oh, oh,
Walang uuwi nito.
camping.
Amelia from Dubai!
Where is the hot dog?
Oh, get your light.
What did Tito Mac say?
Sarap buhay.
It means good life. Oh, cheers! Cheers with Tito Mac! Yay! Sarap buhay.
Tayo na tayo dyan.
Good morning everyone! So, this is our last day. Pero actually, uwi na talaga kami kasi 8 something na. Past 8 na. And may duty pa ako mamayang gabi. So, magaan na kami ng mga tents namin. May ayos na kami. Then, uwi na kami. Ayan, sobrang pagod na pagod kami kagabi guys. Alas 11 na kami natulog. Umalis dito sila Jovan, sila Sis Maris ng mga 9:30 ata, magte-10 na, ganyan. Tapos parang nag-ayos pa kami dito ng ibang gamit, yung mga pwede nang ilagay sa sasakyan para hindi na kami masyadong madaming gamit yung ayusin namin. Nakatulog kami mga 11 na. Ako, maaga ako nakatulog mga 11 na. Si Mac, magta-12 na ata na pumasok siya dito sa tent. Ayun. Ay, naku guys, sobrang pagod. Pero enjoy naman. Enjoy kami kahapon nung pumunta sila dito. So, samahan nyo kami guys na i-disassemble na tong mga gamit and uuwi na.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes someone I'm calling me reappear. Oh, back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist and sea, sand and amber trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves are turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. 'Cause we lived when it was all bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bird-song beat. God, it's now so very bittersweet. So I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer. I keep on forgetting time's learn how to fly, and before I know it, it passes me by. Oh, I don't know why when life is beautiful I start to fear it'll slip through my fingers.
Hey bro, thank you so much at narating nyo na naman po ang part ng ating vlog, ng shoutout part. And mag-shoutout lang po muna ako sa mga nag-comment po sa aking vlog na preparation for Chicago travel, our road trip essentials. Oh my God, namimiss ko na. Namimiss ko ng Chicago guys. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami dun. Pagod na pagod kami pero nag-enjoy ako, lalo na yung river cruise namin na yan. If you're planning to go to Chicago, I highly suggest river cruise. Yung ledge, yung alam mo yung nasa building, it's fine kasi once in a lifetime experience ba na nandun ka, but it's only 60 seconds guys, so dapat magaling kayo mag-picture, mabilis kayo mag-picture kasi 60 seconds lang yung nandun. But anyway, shout out na lang po muna tayo. Ayan, shout out kay May Florence Pimentel. Sabi niya, always enjoying your vlog. Same workplace po ba kayo ng hobby mo po? Sa hospital po ba dyan? Do they allow maiayos yung schedules lang na po pag regarding sa childcare? Thank you and God bless you both. Yeah, same hospital kami, and so far wala pa naman kasi kaming kids, so it's not a problem on us. Pero they try to do it naman kasi very naman sila, pro family and child, naman sila dito sa hospital namin. Pero yun lang, kung may lakad din yung iba, baka hindi mapagbigyan. So yun, try nyo lang din i-ask sa inyong magiging facility, magiging hospital. Yan. So next is shout out to Jocelyn Gonzaga, Production. Yun yung niya, production. Ibrahim Ailil, Nomi Milante, Ronnie Caberto, Raymond Caberto, Family YouTube, Jessica. Sino kaya tong Family YouTube? Wait nga. Oh my God! This is my mom! Alam nyo guys, paiba-iba yung pangalan ng YouTube ng nanay ko. Kasi iniiba-iba ng pamangkin ko yung pangalan. Sabi ko, parang familiar yung picture. Kasi nakita ko na, yun nga talaga yung sa... Anyway, shout out to my mom, to my papang, to my pamangkin, the ever Marites pamangkin of the family. Ayan, to my grandma who is also having her vacation over there. And to my siblings, ayan, kompleto na ha. Wala na magre-reklamo na hindi kayo na shoutout ngayon, pamilya ha. Ayan, thank you so much everyone for watching. And sana na-enjoy nyo yung panonood sa mga vlogs namin, guys. This is just our very simple life here in the USA. Life in the USA is not that grand as maybe na parang ina-expect nyo or, you know, it's just us. Depende kasi yan sa lifestyle, guys. But for us, our lifestyle is not that grand. Parang gusto lang talaga namin yung more simple life. And yung mga more on outdoor. Hindi kasi kami yung mga fancy-fancy. So, yan lang. Naghanap kayo ng fancy. You'll see it in this vlog sa channel na to. But anyway, thank you so much everyone. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia. I regularly post on my Facebook, so you might wanna follow me over there. Salamat ng marami sa panonood ng video, sa pag-support. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!
I think it's sweet, she